In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule email newsletters directly from WordPress. This makes it easy to send emails at the right time without doing everything manually. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins section. Click Add New, then search for MailPoet. Once you see it, click Install Now and then Activate. After activation, follow the setup wizard to connect MailPoet with its sending service. This step helps ensure your emails reach subscribers' inboxes instead of spam. Now it's time to create your newsletter. Go to the MailPoet section in your dashboard and open Emails. Click New Email and choose Newsletter. Give your newsletter a name, then select a template that fits your brand. MailPoet provides ready-made templates that you can easily customize. Use the drag and drop editor to add your content. You can include text, images, buttons, and links while keeping your message clear and engaging. Once everything looks good, click Next to move forward. Now comes scheduling the email. Select your subscriber list, usually name something like newsletter subscribers. In the scheduling section, change the option from Send Now to Schedule for Later. Choose the date and time you want the newsletter to go out. Then click Schedule. That's it. Your email newsletter is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the time you selected. This saves you time and keeps your communication consistent. Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials.